Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's a quick update what smreka with Berberis darwinii berries look like after a month. So I'm gonna strain it soon. Check the wonderful color, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check the video above and you can find out about this Balkan bittersweet fermented wonderful and tasty lemonade. And here we are. Check this wonderful color. I'm really pleased with the result, and I'm gonna put my another batch on. Cheers to the good life! I am going to put some of my homemade Mugolio into it, and I enjoy this wonderful combo. How wild this is!